ATVs look amazing in ads, but when you actually get on them, they fall flat. And the real winners are the ones that can haul, climb, and push through anything without breaking a sweat. That's why in this video I'm sharing the 6 best ATVs that are actually useful machines built for people who want performance, not just pretty headlights. You'll find links to the best prices for all the ATVs mentioned in this video in the description and top comment. Also, these ATVs aren't ranked in any specific order, so be sure to watch until the end to find the one that best fits your needs. Number 6 is the Frontier 700 Scout 6x6. This is the best adventure ride on our list. This machine won't stop even when the trail ends. The Scout 6x6 can drive on the road and also move on water, so you can roll straight off land and right into the water without fear. On solid ground, it hits about 22 miles per hour, and in the water, around 3 to 4 miles per hour. Not fast for a boat, but enough to get you across rivers, ponds, or marshy spots with no stress. It runs on a Vanguard VX 700V twin engine with electronic fuel injection, which gives it solid power while staying pretty quiet. That's a big plus if you're out hunting. Speaking of hunting, it comes finished in true timber prairie camo with a steel front rack for gear and room for up to 4 people on land or 2 when you're floating. Now, as for the drive system, it's chain driven across all 6 wheels with self-adjusting tension blocks, so it's built to take a beating without constant upkeep. Plus, you'll have hydraulic steering brakes for tight turns and a bilge pump to keep you dry if water sneaks in. There's also a 2,500-pound winch, full skid plate, and a tow capacity of 1,200 pounds. So whether it's hauling gear, pulling a buddy out, or dragging a trailer, you're covered. Overall, if you want a machine that can handle woods, swamps, and open water in one go, the Frontier 700 Scout 6x6 is the ultimate adventure ride. Number 5 is the Sportsman 6x6 50-70. This is the best utility workhorse on our list. If you've ever wanted an ATV that feels more like a mini truck, this looks like the one. It has 6 wheels, which means crazy traction and flotation, so you can take it deep into trails, mud, or rough backcountry without worrying about getting stuck. There is also a huge dump bed in the back. It can hold up to 800 pounds, and it has a lock and ride system, so you can strap down gear in different ways. There's even a gas strut that helps you lift the bed when it's fully loaded. Plus, it tows up to 1,500 pounds with the 2-inch hitch receiver, so hauling trailers or gear is not a problem. And for comfort, there's a passenger seat with solid grab handles, and the rider's seat gives you plenty of room to shift around. Suspension is also solid with arched dual A-arms and about 11.5 inches of ground clearance, so the ride feels smoother than you'd expect for such a big machine. It also comes ready without any effort on your behalf. You get a factory-installed 3,500-pound winch with synthetic rope and auto stop. The ride control system lets you set speed limits, create geofences, and even lock it down with a PIN code. Add in LED headlights, a front bumper, rack extender, and sealed front storage, and you're looking at one of the most complete ATVs out there. For everything it does, it's built to be the ultimate utility ATV. Number 4 is the King Quad 750X PZ Power Steering. This is the best ATV for hauling on our list. This machine is built around a 722 cubic centimeter liquid-cooled engine and has low-end torque. That's what makes pulling up to 1,322 pounds feel effortless, whether you're dragging logs, moving gear, or hauling a trailer. Its power runs through Suzuki's Quadmatic CVT, which shifts smoothly and even has engine braking that feels really natural on the trails. And the 4x4 system gives you options too. You can switch from 2-wheel drive to 4-wheel drive with an open diff, and if things get rough, you can lock the front diff for true 4x4 grip. Plus, the power steering keeps the bars steady over rocks and roots, and you'll have an ATV that feels easy to handle without being twitchy. Now, the seating position puts you low, but not cramped. The bars sit right where you want them, and the suspension gives you around 7 inches of travel. It's firm enough for control, but still comfortable for long days. You also get many practical touches. 12-inch aluminum wheels, front and rear racks with covers, handguards, and a 2-inch hitch receiver that matches what you'd find on a truck. Overall, if hauling is your top priority, the King Quad 750 XPZ Power Steering is tough to beat. And if you want to know the latest prices for the ATVs discussed in this video, be sure to click the links below. And if you're enjoying this video, we would love it if you could hit the subscribe button. Number 3 is the RTVX Crew. This is the best ATV for off-road rides on our list. This is a very flexible drive. You can carry friends or family in the extra row of seats, and if you don't need them, the back quickly converts into a bigger cargo bed. It's like having two machines in one. Under the hood, it runs on a 23.3 horsepower Kubota diesel engine. That means it's not only tough, but also reliable for the long haul. It's strong enough to tow up to 1,300 pounds and haul about 1,100 pounds in the cargo box, and due to the hydraulic dump bed, unloading is very easy. The independent rear suspension makes the ride feel stable even when you're fully loaded, and the VHTX transmission is smooth across all terrain. You don't have to worry about belts or clutches, and it gives you really good control at lower speeds. It also comes with updated LED headlights, so visibility isn't a problem when you're out late, and depending on the package you choose, you can get features like black alloy wheels, brighter lights, or even camo and desert sand finishes. Plus, there are different trim levels, so you can choose what you like: basic, standard, or premium, and you can pick the features you want without overpaying for things you don't. Overall, if you're serious about off-road rides and want both work power and passenger space, this one is hard to beat. Number 2 is the Pioneer 1000-5P Trail Special Edition. This is the best ATV for trail riding on our list. This machine has Honda's quick flip seats, and you can carry up to 5 people, or fold the rear seats down completely flat and use that space as cargo. The seats disappear without eating into the bed, so you don't lose the tilting dump feature like you do on some other rides. Power-wise, it runs on a 999cc parallel twin engine paired with a dual-clutch 6-speed transmission, so it feels smooth but strong. You can leave it in automatic or switch to manual mode and use paddle shifters if you want more control. On the trail, it comes with Fox QS 3 shocks and independent dual A arm suspension. It gives you over 10 inches of travel front and back. It handles bumps really well while still keeping things stable and comfortable. The i4WD system is also a nice bonus, and instead of flipping a differential lock switch, it automatically sends power to the wheels that need it. As for work, the bed can carry up to 1,000 pounds. The tilt feature has hydraulic assist, which makes dumping a lot easier. It can also tow up to 2,500 pounds using the standard 2-inch receiver. Overall, it's built for riders who want a side-by-side ride that can work all day but still be ready for serious trail fun. Number 1 is the AMP Crew Cab Wilderness Edition. This is the best overall ATV on our list. This machine perfectly balances between power, silence, and flexibility. It runs on an all-electric system, so you don't deal with fumes, loud engines, or much maintenance. But even with all that, it still matches the torque of a gas-powered machine, with up to 1,500 pounds of towing and 500 pounds in the cargo bed. You get options for 4x4 or 4x2, with both poly and steel bed versions. The poly bed is lighter and quieter, while the steel bed is tougher for heavy-duty work. Either way, both beds have a hydraulic dump function, so unloading is easy. Now, this edition adds a lot of details, like a winch, oversized tires, LED headlights with a bright light bar, a metal roof, a split windshield, and even hunting lights that are harder for deer to spot. Plus, there are racks for gear, cup holders, USB ports, and storage all around, and it also has hitches at both the front and back. Now, the range is around 50 miles per charge, and due to regenerative braking, it recharges a bit every time you coast or go downhill. That not only stretches your range, but also reduces brake wear, and since it uses a lithium battery, it lasts for years before needing replacement. Overall, if you want one machine that works hard, plays hard, and stays whisper quiet, the AMP Crew Cab Wilderness Edition nails it. And that's all for today's lineup. I hope this list helped you decide on the perfect ATV. And if you found this video valuable, we would love it if you hit the subscribe button. If you found the one you like, don't forget to check the description for links to each ATV. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.